upcoming project is Vogue Italia, since I'm the head of editorial content for the brand, and I really do believe we constantly have to look for talent, for great stories, and to narrate the world through fashion.
First we talked about sustainability, then diversity, and finally happiness. What values define future fashion?
I see that kindness is the value of the future. I see an industry with much more collaboration and cooperation among the different sides of it. And I think that's the most sustainable way to put the human power at the center.
What is the impact of artificial intelligence on fashion writing?
I think artificial intelligence is an opportunity. The people need to use it as a tool but stay in control. I think the people will be art directing the artificial intelligence and needs to get the best out of it.
What are the new jobs in the publishing industry?
It's exciting to see the publishing world and media changing so fast that allows new roles that will create new jobs. For example, on the digital side of things, we now work with people who help us developing our audience, create engagement, and that's really important to have a chain and processes that amplify your stories in the best way possible, because we always have to think about one thing, which is our audience, and we want the most people to read our stories, to look at our picture in the best way possible. We want to be user-friendly, we want to be with the readers at the center. I love life. I take inspiration from everything I do and everyone I meet. I'm such a people person. I'm grateful to every single second I can do this job about discovery, curiosity, and I really think you should never give up. You should learn by your mistake. You should commit mistake and take risk. And in the meantime, always keep pushing for change.